Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have this awesome cake, no baking involved, with fruits and custard. I'm gonna start with the custard, for which I'm gonna need 500 milliliters of milk, and I'm using one with 3.5% fat, cornstarch 60 grams, 70 grams sugar, vanilla extract or if you have vanilla paste, and 100 grams of butter. Put sugar and cornstarch in a pot and mix them together. This way you're gonna make sure that you do not gonna have any lumps in your cream, so it's gonna be smooth and velvety. And pour cold milk over. Cook these ingredients on the stove on low fire and make sure to mix continuously with the whisk, because you don't want the cream to get stuck at the bottom of the pot and will taste not that good or at all good. Keep it on the stove for about 10 minutes until it's getting thicker. Take it off and it's time to add butter, and I'm cutting the butter in smaller pieces. It's gonna be easier to incorporate. The cream is still warm, so butter will melt. Added vanilla, about 1 tablespoon, and this is the yummy custard. So beside the custard I will need bananas and peaches, but you can also use frozen fruits or whatever fruits are in season and you love them, and some cookies or biscuits, we call these. First of all, I'm gonna line a dish with some aluminum foil. The dimensions of these are 15 centimeters by 20 centimeters, but you can use a square or a round shaped one if you prefer. But as you see, it's not a big dish. I'm lining it with aluminum foil because it's gonna be easier to remove the cake and portion it after the resting period. Otherwise the cake will not come off that nice out of the dish. I line the base of the dish with cookies, and I make sure to fill all the gaps, so if it's needed I will break them in smaller pieces. The rest of them I'm just gonna break them with my fingers in the custard and mix them up there. The custard is still warm, so the biscuits will rehydrate, and you will be able to cut really nicely the cake. Also cut the fruits, slice up the bananas, and peaches I'm gonna just cut them in smaller pieces, in cubes. I will put half of the custard mixed with the cookies over the cookies from the dish, and I will level it nicely in an even layer. Arrange the fruits all over the surface. And level the rest of the custard mix with cookies. Wrap this up in aluminum foil or cling film and have it in the fridge until it's gonna be cooled down. I usually save it until next day, and it's delicious and easy to prepare, and really handy because it's really hot outside. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you here next time with another recipe. Until then, find reasons to smile. Bye bye.